In the movie series Planet of the Apes, gorillas act as the muscles of the rebellion group. They do things such as lifting cars, slinging helicopters off of buildings, and much more. Now, although that movie isn't completely 100% factual, they still are very strong. They're actually 4 to 9 times stronger than the average male. After doing some more research on gorillas, I found that there was a lot more interesting things about them. Some things that I want to talk about today would be their habitats, diets, behavior, and some protection reserves and funding programs to help take care of them. Let's start with some basic information. There are actually 4 species of gorillas, but we mostly know them all as gorillas. There's the western lowland, the Growler's gorillas, Cross River gorillas, and mountain gorillas. Gorillas are the closest mammals to humans in DNA, looks, and activity. They can weigh anywhere from 150 pounds in the females to 400 pounds in the males, called silverbacks. The location varies, but they're mainly in Central Africa, in the countries of Uganda, Rwanda, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, and Cameroon. Most gorillas live in the tropical forest, or as we know it, the tropical rainforest. They live here because of the heavy vegetation variety and the amount of vegetation that's there because of the rainfall every year. Temperatures in their climate vary from 68 to 95 degrees year long. They also like to live near other species. Living in the rainforest means they live up to 80%, most species in the rainforest, 80% of all known species live in the rainforest. According to M.J. Remus, gorillas were originally believed to be folivores, which means that they eat foliage and leaves. But research has shown that gorillas are actually herbivores and can eat a wider variety of foliage, seasonal fruits, and other things than originally believed. They are known as seasonal frugivores now. They eat fruits when in season, tree bark, roots, wild celery, pulp, and shoots. They're also sometimes considered omnivores because they eat ants, termites, and other insects on the ground. Gorillas are very, very social creatures. They live in groups of up to 2 to 50, with a male leading them known as the silverback. They live in groups called troops or bands. They're also very protective of their area. David Watts once said, "Research and observation has shown gorillas to claim up to 5 square miles at a single time when they move." All their activities are organized by the leader, and they follow a social structure and hierarchy. All species of gorillas are endangered or critically endangered. This is because of poachers in the black market, deforestation, human invasion, and human viruses and diseases such as Ebola. Magdalena once said, with Ebola outbreaks in Central Africa, bodies of western lowland gorillas were being found, suggesting that Ebola is transmittable. Some organizations that help protect gorillas would be the World Wildlife Fund, and they're directed to conservation and addressing global threats. Another more specialized fund that goes to gorillas is the Dian Fossey Gorilla Fund. This group mostly does research, education, protection, and help for all gorillas. In summary, gorillas are very special and the closest things we have to other humans, so we should protect them.
Now, I'm a seasonal food.